Alright, I'm out at the Bay of Green Bay. I haven't been in here for a few months. There's been a lot of like high wave action. Just way down there, about a quarter of a mile, and came back. And I found some really awesome stuff so far, and I think this piece I just noticed is probably the best of the day. Oh my gosh! Manganese. And it's got like grooved markings or embossing on it. Oh, there's a bug on my leg. That's nice. And oh, I just thought I saw something else. Maybe not. Oh, yeah. I gotta be careful so I don't fall. Shoot, where did it go? It's so sunny out here right now that things are hiding. Alright. I'll be back. Bush crab. There's another. I found a lot of stuff like this today. It's old. I don't think it's manganese, but pretty fun. On the bottom, the base of an old beer bottle too. It's thick. You never know what you're gonna find at Green Bay. Plastic. I would pick it up, but it's nasty. Alright. Alright, hey everybody. I'm back. My boys and I went to the Bay of Green Bay today and found some pretty substantial quality pieces of beach glass, in my opinion. I haven't been there in a few months, and the one chunk of manganese, which is pre-1915 and earlier, that's the age of it, probably one of my best yet, ever. I think it's even better than that one I found in Lake Michigan back in April. So, this is just gonna kind of quickly be a shorter video. Yeah, I went to the air show in Oshkosh, Wisconsin yesterday, the EAA Air Venture, biggest air show in the world. And I will attach some of my short videos, and the pictures are way better that I took. I have a pretty good camera, but we had fun. There was a storm in the middle of it. It wasn't as bad as the one they had there on Wednesday when they had to actually evacuate EAA by 5 p.m. because there was a derecho moving through pretty much the entire state of Wisconsin. But it did skirt Oshkosh, thankfully. There's a lot of expensive aircraft there, and I come from a family of aviators. I grew up pretty much flying, so I get it. You know, it was a lot of people took off and didn't come back, so there weren't as many planes there this year. But anyway, I will show the glass here. Well, here's the beach glass that I found today on the southern shores of the Bay of Green Bay. Here's the Daymaker. Check it out. That is pretty purple, and you can note the, I guess technically you could call them embossed ridges on this. The pattern that's on the glass. Nothing on the inside. That thing stood out like a sore thumb. I couldn't believe it. And this I found half buried in mud right about at the shoreline where the waves were breaking today, because, you know, it's kind of windy out. I think it's an old beer bottle. I could be completely wrong, but I don't know if I'm I don't know what to make of this. As far as the manufacturer, that's about all I've got, you know, to go by. And very close nearby, I found this. I'm not sure if they were related. I know this is machine made, but it is a pretty old bottle top. I like it. Super thick. You know, they don't make them like that anymore. I find a lot of tile in this area where I go in Green Bay. A number of pieces of clear, well, they used to be clear, or white glass. Some of them are very beach worn, bay tumbled, technically. This was a really cool piece of a salt glaze crack. Nice piece. I know there's a dump offshore. I'm getting closer and closer to this area. Today, though, after wading out ankle deep, I actually went to the grocery store, and when I got home, I realized there were tons of tiny little leeches all over my feet, and that was pretty awful to discover. When I was rinsing off this glass, this is some remainders of stuff I found. I noticed little squigglies in the water, and immediately I was like, oh no, leeches. Yeah, well, they're all gone now. Got them off my feet. So, all right, I hope everybody has a great week. I think probably the next time I'm going to be back, I'm going to be up in northern Minnesota. I'm going to start out in Brainerd for a few days, and then we're going to end up a little bit northwest of Duluth. I'm going to be there a good 10 days, and this is my yearly Lake Superior agate hunt, so that I am stoked for. Oh, in case you wondered, this is my Big Daddy quartz piece from near Golden, Colorado that I cut. Cleaned it up a little bit, but I'll do a recap video of all my Rocky Mountain finds in the near term here. All right, good night.
Is one of the most creative pilots in the world.
This freaking phone, I hate it.
Doing the action in the air and on the ground. Gasoline in the V-25. Heading straight.
I could watch this stuff all day. I love it.
Rob Holland started flying in 1992. He has amassed over 14,000 hours in over 180 different types of aircraft. As you watch him